Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil and in today's video we are back at the 1200. As always, all 1200 videos are sponsored by John Connaty. You can head over to the website there for all your tractor parts and accessories. So, where are we at with the 1200? I think not much since the last video, just more pipes and filters, or actually now, I think the big one is the fuel lines are all on it now. Lee has the top off the gearbox, just starting to fill up with oil, so that's what they're at the minute now, is getting the oil in. 2 new bars arrived there for this season's engine and back end. So with a bit of luck, or actually a lot of luck, because I'm hoping we'll be running by the end of this, we will have a running, get her started and see have we any leaks. Is that separate to the back transfer boxes at then? The gearbox is separate to the back transfer boxes at all the one? Drop box.
No, it's all the same.
It's all the one.
It's all connected. So there's a bung. There's a bung in the back. That's where you're meant to fill it.
Yeah.
Meant to fill it way down in here. But sure, just take the top off the gearbox and just pour it.
Yeah. And is that the bung then? That's your fill level?
That's the fill level, yeah.
Yeah. And then she pumps the oil up and lets it down in on top of that then to lubricate.
Through that filter on this side, shucks it up through the bottom. You
Yeah.
see the bottom hose goes. If you come around to that side, probably the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Filter there. So, yeah. Anyways, I gotta do some calf work, so. And I'm back. Are we ready to start?
Tomorrow, when you're on your hand up.
Can we not start it now, no?
No,
Why not?
we're missing 3 pipes.
What's the oil on the ground from?
Don't ask.
Someone forget to put in the bung and start filling it, or?
What did I tell you?
Don't ask. So what's left that's missing then?
Very little. I had to get a bit of paint to put a ram in.
Aye, that's the assistant ram.
It was hanging the wrong way up. That come off, by the way. Over to him there. He strangled it. You're sure now she's not in gear?
You'll only start to start her.
Oh no, she's going to come off the block. And you're going to provide in the back end of her.
Yeah.
That's what the head didn't do now.
I have the fill port fill.
There's nothing here that can get caught on her now anywhere.
No.
Right, so I'm just going to give her a little light dig at the starter there because I might need to go into another battery.
Only one thing what we do is grab a cable tie for these 2 gauges, because I know where they're going to go. Rather than one back of my car, cable
We
tie.
need a couple there. We might just tidy up a few of these pipes here. One on that hole in there. And the battery probably isn't strong enough now anyway. So we'll just go for a light crank over now because we have to get oil built up with that here. Right?
No. Like that, like 150 deeper. Suppose you may hit her dart and see what she does. She's neutral.
Just check to see if the oil pressure is come from up.
Yeah.
Ready? Hands
Go. Oil.
Make your oil go.
Oh,
That's
ram. Start the ram. Where's the new pipe? Did you get pins?
Yeah.
Right, lift the pin there.
Hold on, to turn on the lift. Lift could be lifting on her.
With a brick button.
Half inch, 3/8. Just a blanket. Over there. Have a rummage in over there.
Where's the camera?
Behind you?
If it had teeth. If it had teeth here.
I was looking, but I didn't look that way. I thought you were there. Why are you missing?
Need a fitting for them, the pipe, block it off, the blanket off.
And have you no coin? Your old trick?
No, that won't work on this one, I'm afraid.
Alright.
Well, I have a 3/8 fixing here.
The legal won't fit, but it'll fit if I had a grinder. They just need something to break, file this down with.
if you can get something to block that.
Please add.
Pop this into it. That shouldn't cause any trouble because that's not working the lift, so it should be alright, right?
Why is it the draft that swung around?
The draft is swung around and it shouldn't have. Might be able to spin it back round on top of itself. Maybe. I don't know. We're only going for a bleed up now. Just keep an eye on the whole
Yeah.
high pressure gauge. Yeah. Something come up.
Good oil pressure.
Well,
Very good.
Ready for an injector type. And diesel in the injectors.
We're still above the minimum anyway.
And leg side pressure.
Very good.
Right?
Yeah.
We're on tipped over, so see what happens.
Are you recording?
That's good.
Just so you keep your shut off. Let's full up.
Oh. Move them levers.
Full stop.
Yeah.
Like, there's graphs inside, isn't it?
Yeah.
So graphs inside.
Oh, that's inside.
This is works off.
That should take the pressure off for now. Any now?
Yeah, yeah.
Just keep an eye on that just to see what happens.
Yeah, yeah.
See something's magical. Still going down.
Yeah, it's not lifting. You walk away.
Right. What happens?
You
The
have,
blowout exhaust.
you have smoke coming out
Yeah,
here.
yes, where we put that in.
Yeah.
That'll take a minute to close it.
Until the timing is off.
Oh, the pump.
Yeah.
No, we're slagging a wee bit the mover.
So we wait.
Blood pressure, he's over halfway. Like the age.
Right? Now we wait. That's not getting compression one cylinder.
But she's still far 5. No, even if she's off, you know, she just sound off
Could
something.
have a loose.
Jacker.
And you got out that you only feel gauge.
Not on the no.
One too tight. You pull them off.
Just both with big pressure. You just want to go now, don't you?
We are marking them. Then over again and see which one is holding tight.
No, I haven't seen it running.
No?
No.
Start?
Yeah, sure. Lee's going to start up the tractor for us now. Just like Daisy. Everyone's running. And you can see the gauges there, oil pressure is high, water temperature. She's running well. button, just the way she goes. Bit of a leak in the exhaust, is there?
Yeah, but sure, once you get her working for a day, it'll plug up, you know what I mean?
Aye, plug with carbon. Yeah. Still alive, Liv. That's some job. Just it's hard to believe it's running now. Finally got it that far.
Yep.
1200 is now running. So everything has been checked. No oil leaks. No issues.
No heck with any oil leak actually. Oh, there was one oil leak was the sister around the back where the first day we turned her over.
Yeah.
But we just found it. Bar that, nothing.
So everything is plumbed. Ready to rock and roll. So now, because everything has been checked over, run, no leaks, it's time to get started on the next step, which is probably will be the toughest bit now. The next bit, getting the cab done. Or would you think it's easier than what's already been done?
I don't think it'll actually be too bad, hey, because once we were in stuff now, it just turned into a square box.
Yeah.
You know, when all the stuff was in it, it looked like there's a lot of nooks and crannies and stuff in it, but it shouldn't be too bad.
So Lee's just stripping down the cab. Just taking off any bolts and basically anything that comes off you're taking off.
More or less, yeah.
So that it's ready for blasting and for painting. So hopefully by the end of today it'll be blasted and painted. There's
hopefully a primer by the end of the day.
There's the control. Is he putting a blower into it?
I don't think so, no.
No, he's not.
She's never gonna leave it. She'll never go out in the wet, she'll never go out in the cold.
Yeah. There was 2 blower motors in it.
Yeah.
One either side.
I think it was 3, I'd say they're working.
Oh.
I'd say they're working, so they are.
So it's just a matter of putting power to it and she might just...
That's, I don't know with the switches now, the switches feel a bit... Well... That's not going down the way, that's from the wiper. Didn't actually know there was separate buttons for the two.
Oh, so there's one left, one right.
You'd find that was probably your button there for your blowers.
Yeah.
Somebody's maybe put in.
Someone put it into it.
And I'll see.
Be cool if it was working. Anyways, so that is the crack. That's as far on as they are now. So, yeah. Feels like we're kind of on the home straight now.
Starting to feel like that, yeah.
Yeah. Because once the cab goes onto it, then it's only...
Start reassembling, whatever.
Yeah, minor bits, bonnets and decals and...
Well, yeah, the bonnets are probably the last thing put on. I'd say should be running and driving the time they're on.
Yeah.
I would say.
I know, it's great. Brilliant. Anyways, I'm going to go on and do another bit. I'll leave you a camera and see what happens. We're just back from doing a bit of fencing. Looks like they're well on the way. Hard work?
You had it easy this evening, that's all I can say.
Huh?
You had it easy this evening.
So, looking well though. Much left to do.
Nothing, we're done.
That's it.
We're done. We cut the roof, or the roof.
As in trying to blast that, is it, or blast down?
We turned it on as upside down, but someone put pitch on it.
Oh, put bitumen on it.
Aye.
Oh, shy.
Good job I to get the half that.
I think we're a bit of beans, haven't we? Stick looking at it.
Yes, stick up with it. There must be a half a bag of sand at the top of my head.
Why, you're just a bit dusty looking. This is...
But it's great work, it's looking good for the job.
Oh, it is a serious job. Why, you just have a bit of patching in?
No, a bit of patching there now, that's all.
There and up there, I think.
There's up there, never be seen, it's be hanged that up.
Yeah. Anyways,
10 holes in the roof as well.
we'll go back fencing. We'll leave them to it. And now, that is the cab blasted, and in, and the front grille, yeah, that's the front grille there, blasted too. So there's a bit of work has to be done. Now they found more, as Lee was saying earlier, there's a bit of patchwork has to be done there and a bit there, but also when they were blasting, long there is also gone, needs to be blew off before they start painting, just to take that glass off it. But yeah, she got blew down before she gets painted, just to take all that glass off and make sure she's good. But yeah, that is it blasted. And that is, like, after this, it took Father Phil 5 hours, 5 full hours to blast that, 20 bags of grit, and a good half an hour of a shower afterward to get the glass off him. He was, as you've seen, he was a bit dusty. But yeah, so after this now, all that's really left, there's the bonnet, that's the grill for the inside of it, steps, a handful of small pieces, thing of nothing nearly. This is the main piece, and when that goes on to the tractor, it'll really start to look like a tractor again. Also, as you may see, we left on 2 spare belts. They're kept up there out of the way in case one of them belts ever goes, or 2 of them belts go. We have 2 belts already on, saves any messing to get in there, can go straight on. And as you've seen, she's fully running, she's all working, no leaks, she's 100%. The yellow's starting to get a bit dirty now with all the work that's going on around it. So they did have to take off the rocker cover to be able to get in to look, because when they started at first, I think they were having issues. There was injectors blocked, and they had a little bit of work just to get running right after starting it, which I think you would have seen. I haven't sat down and watched that footage, but yeah, really is coming together now, really is. Now, another thing too, Longford ploughing has been rescheduled for the 28th of April, Sunday the 28th of April. We will be going this time with the shop and that. Can't see this being ready for it, but you never know. It's a week away, 2 weeks away, week away. It's a week away or 2 weeks away. She's like, I don't even know myself. I think it's a week away, I think. But anyways, so yeah, we're pushing on, we're getting there. We are getting there. So Lee's going to get this painted, and then it's painted, then reassemble the cab on the ground and have everything put back into it, reassembled, and then put it on. They reckon that's going to be the easiest way, because it's easier to get in and out and in and around and all of that, to get everything wired up and put right. It just feels like we're getting so close. Anyways, yeah, happy days. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Big thanks to Connaughty for sponsoring today's video. Sponsor all the 1200 videos. You can head over to johnconaughty.com if you want to check out anything for tractors and machinery and everything. There's a huge website of stuff. But anyways, look up. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think of the tractor now she's running. You think she's running as sweet as a nut? And yeah, we're going to leave it at that for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, please like and subscribe to the channel. Videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. Also, I'm working out here. Sneak peek. Replacing the bushing or bearing on the bottom went on the plough. So just put into the ram, now put back on, and we can get back ploughing. Anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. That's it from me. Good luck.